This just happened. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. A fun story of how this happened. I just came back from the ER. I have a little cast right here because I broke my thumb. The good part is it's not like all of it, so it's just like the top part of this, and they were actually like really surprised that my nail didn't fall off. I was surprised that my nail didn't fall off either. I actually slammed the door on my thumb. Good morning, guys. I'm on my way right now to the dentist. I just got out of the dentist. I got a clean. So far my gums on the top are actually really good. The ones on the bottom are not that great, but we're working on it to make progress. All right, so I'm gonna hop on this bus and then I'll see you guys home. Hello everybody. It's way later on in the day since I've been on the dentist because I went to sleep. So I am getting ready right now. I'm gonna go with my friends to the casino again. We're becoming old people, I swear. Like, let's just go to the casino. Got nothing better to do. What's the plan? I'm just waiting for Fernando and Danny to get here.
My name's Fernando, and you're watching Disney Channel.
He's getting out more money because
We're addicted. Card number 1, card number 2.
oh. Danny. He's like,
I've reached my daily limit.
yeah, okay. Are you seriously gonna get 500 out? Oh, hell no. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, look at us dressed all in black. So today we are gonna go to, I put it on the screen because my is listening and I don't want him to listen because we're gonna buy him some Christmas presents for him. So, yeah. That was the quickest in and out that I've ever been at Best Buy. Well, my mom got the goods right there. Now we're gonna go to Bed Bath & Beyond. All right, we're back home. I took my little cast off. I actually bought this thing back here. It is actually the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So the original price I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond was $59.99. You see, oh, doesn't want to focus, but it was $59.99, and I saw it on their website that it was $41.99, so I got it at that price. So score. So yeah, I'm gonna test it out after I get out of the shower. We shall see if it actually works. Right now I'm just going to enjoy caramel frappe from the McDonald's. All right, you guys. So I just finished showering, as you guys can see. Yo, why does my eyes look weird? So I'm going to test this Revlon thingy out. So let's see how this goes, shall we? I'm impressed. I feel like I gotta get used to it. My hair feels nice and silky though. It's nice and soft and actually has a nice little volume on the top. Oh, my hair. Oh, my thumb. I like it. I like the Revlon one-step thing. Good morning, everybody. I just woke up not too long ago, so I'm gonna clean my face. I slept in my makeup last night. I know, my face just feels horrible. So I'm going to be testing out this cleanser thing that I bought at Marshall's. I talked about it in my recent, like my last vlog. So we're going to test this out. Hopefully this smells good, so. I'm gonna pop in some new contacts today. No hair ties today, I don't have one. Remove with warm water. I don't know, this might be a good size, right? All right, it says work it into a foam. Oh, that is so weird. It's like shaving cream. This smells good. My finger's hurting so bad. Oh God, I took the cast off. I know I'm probably not supposed to, but I just couldn't deal with it and now it hurts. And I don't want to go back to the doctor because she's probably gonna yell at me. Oh, my fucking thumb hurts so bad. You know what? I'm gonna have to put a wrap again because I'm such an idiot. Why did I take that fucking thing off? I'm so stupid. It's like, it hurts so bad now. Yeah, it's so swollen, you guys. Ugh. I don't even want to show you because it's nasty. Like the front of my thumb is like so ugly. All right, so now I'm going to brush my teeth. Now my mouthwash. Prescription mouthwash. You can see the thing here, but I'm not going to show you because, you know, that's my address and everything. All right, that's good. Now I'm going to pop in my new contacts that I'm going to wear today. So I'm going to be using the Gaia Brown. These are one of my favorites. They're just so pretty. I think my top favorite would have to be Queen Brown for sure. But this one is like number 2 on my list. These are really nice. I like these. Can you see them? I'm gonna quickly do my face. Like, I don't want to go all crazy, but you know, just something. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for my mom to get here because I just GPS'd her because we have the Find My Friends app thing on the phone, and I'm like, I need your location, Mom, so I can know where you are. And she's like, should be walking in the house any minute now. Okay, I'm gonna use this CoverGirl fiber mascara, but not for my mascara, like my eyelashes. I'm gonna use it for my brows. This is the color Brown. I recently started doing this and I was like, oh, brow gel, what? And I know they sell like brow fibers, but it doesn't really work that great for me. And I've noticed that like a mascara is actually setting them in place. You see that? It's just a little bit more time consuming, but I like the results it gives me because they look more natural, and I feel like I don't have to fill them in because this is naturally just giving me the look of bushy brows because of the little fibers. So there, look, you could see the difference that it's doing. Look at that. Oh, okay, you guys, we just got back from Marshall's. So I found some gifts. So Fernando, Danny, and my boyfriend are essentially done. So now I'm just wrapping them. I don't want to show you guys because I don't know if they're gonna like watch this video, so I don't want them to see my stuff. So I'm not gonna show you guys what I got them. Here's one gift wrapped. This is for Danny. This is for Fernando. And then some other gifts over here that my mom over there is helping. So yeah, because you know my thumb is messed up. I can't wrap gifts. So yeah.